In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to share files from phone to laptop without USB. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Now sharing files from phone to laptop is really easy. For that, firstly open Play Store in your mobile and search here Wi-Fi FTP server. Once you search it, download this app and install it in your mobile. Once you install it, open the app and allow all the permission it asks to you. And then you will see the start option. Tap on it and then it will start the server. Now all we need to do is open File Explorer in your computer. Once you open it, right click here and then click on add a network location, and then it will open this window. Here we just need to tap on next, again click on next, and here we need to provide the address. The address is on your mobile, so we just need to copy this server URL and type exactly on your computer, just like I am typing here. So I have already typed this address, so we just need to type it like this, and then we just need to click on next. After that again click on next, and now we need to tap on finish, and there you go, I have successfully added my mobile in my computer. Now as you can see, all of my files from my mobile are showing on my laptop. I can open any folder and copy any file or any image. So suppose I want to copy this image, so for that I need to select it, right click on it and copy that image, and you can paste it on whatever drive you want on your computer. So I can simply paste it on my desktop here, and this is how you can transfer files and photos from your mobile to laptop without USB. Now if I was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.